Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a glossy 3D designer tie with Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered tool that will help you to create AI content like maybe AI talking photo, avatar video, product showcase, and then AI designs and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create a creative AI image, Stylist Glossy 3D Designer type. So, and if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions to access this tool. And then, okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI and don't worry about the credit because Pippit AI has a free daily credit, so you can try this tool for free, 100% free. And then after that, just upload the upload the photo that you want to transform like this, and then after that just write your prompt. Before, I already prepared my prompt like this one. You can just copy my prompt and you can also tweak it as you like to match your styles. And then after that just choose your AI model in here, for example, and then just choose your ratio that you want, and then next just click submit and wait for the process. And okay, let's just take a look for the result. Okay, like this you can see it. I think it's so cute. And okay, like this your photo will be transformed into a 3D glossy 3D designer toy like that. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. Maybe you can just try it yourself with your own photo and then just take a look for the results. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.